Hi, in this lesson, we're going to look at how we can update the value of individual items in the lists once they're created. Let's go. Let's revisit our line of students waiting to get into the school. The school doors are open. John heads into school, and Mia and Leo move up in line. Raina spots her twin sister, Robin, and calls her over to join her in line. We had our list of students in line, but now things are all switched around. Can we update the list to reflect the new line of students? Yes, we can. Let's learn how. If we have a list of items created, we can update a specific item by first accessing the item using the list name and the index we want to access inside square brackets, just like we practiced in the last lesson. To change the value, we use an equal sign to assign this position in the list a new value. Let's use this to update our line of students. We can see that the first three items in the list are not correct. Let's start with the first item. We need to change the item from John to Mia. To do this, we can access that item using names at 0 and then set it equal to the new value we want to use, which is Mia. Now our first item is correct, but we still have two more to update. Let's focus on changing the second item in the list from Mia to Leo. To do this, we can access the item using names at 1 and set it equal to Leo. Great, we only have one more item to update. We need to change the third item from Leo to Robin. Let's not forget that we can also use our negative index values. We can access the item using names at -3 and set it equal to Robin. Now our list of students is correct. In this lesson, we learned how to update items in a list.